Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute, it's been long, it's been a while. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you're coming back, karibu pia. Kindly remember to subscribe. We are here for good vibes. Guys, today I want to show you a rice plantation. This is a rice plantation. You see, it is big. Some parts we are harvesting, we are doing the traditional way of harvesting because the rains are too much. Now the harvester, that tinga ya kuharvest izingia because the rains are too much. You see maji ya irrigation, ini maji ya mvua, it's too much, it's all over, so tinga izingia hapa. And our rice is ready, and so we are doing, guys, you have to check out, you have to look properly where you're stepping on, otherwise utaingia kwa maji. Now we are doing the traditional way of harvesting rice, whereby it is first of all cut. After it's ready, like this one, you see this one, these ones are ready for harvesting, but I'm still giving them some 3-4 days so that, like these ones which are not yet ready should get ready, so that we harvest together the whole of this plantation. Towards the other side. But now this one, where these guys are, was ready. This paddock was ready. And being that this is Pishori, the birds are all over because of the aroma. So the birds love it because of the aroma. So imekuwa ikitusumbua sana na ndege. So tukamua, it is ready. Why not? Tuitoe tu. This is how it is, guys. So this is the traditional way of harvesting. Now rice is cut, then placed in one place. They are given like some 2 to 3 days as they get the heat. And then, yeah, I don't know what this process is, but zinachapa ndio rice ibaki. Then, of course, something must be laid down. So this is the rice. This is rice. Inyesha chapwa. So this one is already harvested. You harvest this one, then you put it in a sack, you transport it. Then after transportation, now you give it a day or 2. Then you start the drying process. You dry it. So after it has gone all through those processes, after it's dry, it's given, and being that it is Pishori, we normally give it some few days before it is milled so that it builds that aroma. So after drying, we give it some 7 to 14 days to build the aroma. Then that is when we mill. So guys, here we are. Farming is fun. So karibuni, kujeni tulime. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Dokita tingo gino kendi.
Red wa.
The rice plantation is big. It's big. This is just a section. Like you see towards towards the end, it's all rice plantation. So it's quite big. This is Nyatike. Nyatike is in Migori County. The irrigation is called Lower Kuja Irrigation Scheme. We produce rice. It's called Sagama rice. Pure aromatic Pishori.